Trying to roll me up.
Hey, what up? It's your girl McCayla Grace here, and I'm back to show you guys my second Birchbox unboxing. I think this is for August. Yeah, this is for August. Okay, so I haven't opened it yet, as you can see. So I'm just gonna undo that real quick. Got it. Okay, so this month, this is the design. Okay, it's really nice, you know, cute way to end summer, just like little waves. They did like a postcard this time. Okay, so let's see, I had a curl cream definer in my last one, so I have another one this time. Sekisai lotion. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's Sekkisei. So I'm assuming it's Sekisai. Maybe it's Sekisei. I don't know. Some BB cream from Marcel. Another perfume, and ooh, a lipstick. Okay, so wow, this is the curl cream definer. That's a really big sample. It's a really big sample. Look at that. That's crazy. That's the curl cream definer from Davro. There's 1.7756 ounces. So almost two. This is almost 2 ounces of the product. A lightweight styling cream enhancing curl definition for luscious locks. I'll have to try that. Okay. This is the Marcel BB cream Golden Glow skin enhancer. This is the lotion. So I think it's Japanese. It's like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like liquid. So yeah, made in Japan. Look at that. So we're gonna have to definitely try that out. I'll see how to do that when we do the try on. Okay, this is the perfume sample. It's just a little tiny tester bottle. But I like what the actual like full bottle looks like. Like, that's so pretty. Dewy Freesia Jasmine. I can't English. Wow. Dewy Freesia, Jasmine Sandbach, and creamy sandalwood capture the allure of the modern Oscar de la Renta woman. Inspired by the heritage of the brand, Bella Blanca is a... Oh, that's a comma. Inspired by the heritage of the brand, Bella Blanca is a white floral fragrance that is as timeless and feminine as its muse. Oh, that's so deep. And then they have it in French. That's so pretty. I like that. And then this is from Styla Cosmetics, a Stay All Day liquid lipstick. What's the name of the color? Portofino. That's cute. Portofino. See. Don't know how close it needs to be. Oh wait, you can't. Okay. Alright. Okay. So my hair is already done, so we're not going to use the curl cream definer. One of these days when I get a hair product, I'll make sure that like I can try it out. Or maybe if you guys would like, comment below if you want to see me use the products that I get, like the hair products I get in my Birchbox, and I'll make those like a specific video. Oh, this is from Australia. Australian made and owned. Cool. It's sulfate and paraben free, which is really nice if you have like healthy natural hair that you're trying to do, and it's 100% vegan friendly. That's awesome. Okay, so let's start with this freaking lotion. So luckily this side tells me how to use each product, because sometimes like the product itself doesn't give you like instructions or directions, you know. So it's a toner. Oh, why would they call it a lotion? Maybe that's what they mean when they say, never mind. Okay, this refreshing toner infused with 4 herbal extracts brightens and refines your skin's tone. Soak a cotton pad, then gently sweep over face morning and evening after cleansing. Well, that's nice because I literally just washed my face before this video. So I'm gonna get some Q-tips. Actually, I might have cotton pads. Okay, so I was able to find some cotton rounds. So I forgot my mirror. Got my cotton rounds and my mirror. Oh, my mirror. You don't want to see the camera. That's so awkward. What am I supposed to do? Oh, soak the pad. The cotton pad, cotton round. And then sweep it on my face. Oh, I think I spilled some. Okay. I'm gonna be honest, guys, I still don't know what toner is for, but if you know, please comment below and tell me, because I don't read products. Like, I don't, you know? So, okay, that's on. Should probably dry my skin. So then we have the golden cream, if I can find it. Found it. Okay. Apply on cleansed face, can be worn alone or as a makeup base. Okay. Well, hopefully it's my skin tone, so that way I don't have to, you know, clean it off, because I just put that toner on. Oh. Oops. Came out a bit. Okay, let's see. I should probably use one of these cotton rounds now that I have them. But, well, that's the color, if you can see. If you can't, I'm sorry. I'm not really sure what I'm doing right now. I promise I've been up for a while now, but my brain takes a little bit longer than me to wake up. Okay, I'm gonna use the cotton round to apply it so I don't stain my fingers, even though, you know, I just showed you guys the color on my finger. You know, it's really not important. Okay. That should be enough, right? Okay. So, we're just gonna... It just fell off on my arm. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll get that in a second. This isn't gonna work. Okay, we're just gonna use our fingers because there's cotton on my skin now. Yeah, we're gonna apply it with our hands. So I'm just gonna need to get a little bit more for what I lost.
Do you guys think this is gonna go well? Comment below if you think this is going well, because I don't. Okay. A little bit more cotton. Cool. This is my face like really shiny. Making me so shiny now. Okay. I need just like a little bit more for my forehead. Oh, that works. Okay.
That's done. I'll wash my hands later. I really don't care. Okay, so now we have that. I feel like I'm doing like daily makeup right now, like a makeup routine. They literally sent me a whole makeup routine. We did our toner, now we have our makeup base, and then what do we have next? Oh, we're gonna do some of the perfume. Okay. So what did they say this was again? Jasmine Sambac and creamy sandalwood. Oh, and dewy freesia. That's a flower, I think. Okay. There's no cap. Why did I try it? Okay. These bottles are like really testy, so there we go. It's like the smallest part at first. Just rub into your wrist there. It just smells, I don't know. Do some more. It smells like flowers, like elegant flowers. I like it. Put some on my neck. I'm gonna look so good today, guys. Wow. Okay. Lastly is the lipstick. Okay. I really hope this works, because if not, I'm gonna be salty, because I don't know, guys. My lips are always chapped, they're always dry, and it's just, I do not have, like, good experiences with lip products, let me tell you. So, it's just like your classic tube. Okay, I'm gonna set that. Okay, that's not gonna stay. There we go. Okay. Here we go. I like this color, oh my gosh. I just got it on my teeth. Wow, I'm getting a lot on my teeth. I might be using too much. Good thing we have those cut rounds. Okay. Well, I think it's on. We just have to clean it up a bit with a cotton round, because I got it on my teeth, and I'm just gonna keep getting on my teeth. So we have to clean it up a bit. Shoot, I just pulled the cotton out. Okay. So this is the finished product, I guess. Yeah, that's so crazy. That's like literally a whole makeup routine. That was insane. Well, okay, if you guys like this, like, comment below if you have any of these products, or if you've used any of these products before. If you like this look, you know, let me know. Let me know if I help make your Monday a little bit brighter, and I'll see you guys next time. Please subscribe. Almost forgot. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!